Hello, welcome. I'm Vishwanath Hebbar. In this video, let us discuss how to use the market trend, that is bull and bear markets, to maximize your profit in the stock market. By understanding the market trend and planning your investment strategy accordingly will maximize your profit in the stock market. Let us understand what are bull and bear markets and how you can use these trends for your advantage. Firstly, let us understand what is bear market. It is a market where most stocks are declining in value, hence overall market index is declining in value. Bear market simply means stock prices are coming down. Let us understand the reasons for bear market. Weak economy, pandemic, war, natural disaster, oil price movement, or any other negative news or sentiment. These are the main reasons that can make the market to become bearish, or the condition where most of the stocks will start declining in their value. This is one of the example of a bearish market where market drastically came down during the pandemic in 2020. This is the time where market was bearish, this time period. So by analyzing the graph, by looking at the graph and analyzing the graph, you can easily identify the market condition. There are various websites like TradingView, Money Control, where you can view the graph and you will be able to identify the market trend. Let us understand what is bull market. A bull market is a market where most of the stocks are on the rise, hence overall market index is on the rise. A bull market condition, in a bull market condition, most of the stocks will be increasing in their value. The reasons for bull market conditions are good GDP growth, good performance of companies, strong economy, business friendly government and a RBI policy, or any other positive news or a sentiment, and can make the market to move in an upward direction. Example of bullish market is, this is the time period once the effect of the pandemic started reducing, market started moving in an upward direction. During this period, market was in a bullish mode. This also you can easily be identified by looking at the graph. Now let us understand how to use this bull market and bear market condition to make profit in the stock market or maximize the profit in the stock market. If you are a short term trader and looking for a gain based on the technical analysis, what you can do is to, when the market is bullish, you can buy, and as the market is going up, in the short term you will make a profit. If you are looking for a short term gain in bullish market, you will buy based on the technical analysis. And if the market is bearish, it means market is moving downward. If you are an intraday trader, you can do a short sell based on the technical analysis, or you can do a short selling through futures and options as well when the market is bearish. And if you are a short, if you are looking, this is for if, and this is applicable if you are looking for a short term gain, probably a few days or 1 or 2 weeks. If you are looking for a very short term, this is the strategy that can be helpful. Suppose you are a long term investor, that means you are investing based on the fundamental analysis of the stock. In this condition, when the market is bearish, suppose if you are a long term investor and looking to invest for few years, and you invest based on the fundamental analysis of the company, in that case, bearish market condition, when the market has moved down, this is an opportunity for you to buy so that you can get the shares at a lesser price. And for example, during the pandemic, I have brought the shares during the pandemic in March 2020. I have brought the shares of like many good companies like TCS, Infosys, etc., which has now given around 50 to 60% return within a 1 year time. So when the market is bearish, If you are a long term investor, you can buy the stocks of a fundamentally strong company which is available at a cheaper price, so that when the market starts to reverse its direction, you will make a very good profit. When the market is bullish, and you can look at booking the profit if for your long term investments that you have done earlier. If you have invested early in 2020 during the pandemic, and this can be a good time for you to book a profit in few of the stocks, because they have given a very good return by this time if you had invested in the 2020. I hope this video helps you to create your investment strategy based on whether you are a long term investor or a short term investor. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you in the next video.